and my side's still flapping in the wind. Flappity flap flap. Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Ashimary Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. And do y'all see how good this wig looks on me? Do you see the looks? 360. Hold up. A glueless 360. So if you want to see how I got this wig from A to Slay out the pack, make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Ashimary Hair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is their 360 water wave unit and I got it in 24 inches. Give me the bundles. I know I got my scale in my kitchen and I did weigh this bad boy and it said it was like 270. So I'm pretty sure, you know, with that cap situation, this is about the 250 density. It does come in 180 or 250. I thought initially, because it felt a little light, that it was 180, but then I got to remember the length. The length also adds weight, so it's 250. And with that, I think there is like a $20 difference with the price point between the 180 and the 250. So get in where your pockets fit in, or just dig in that man couch. Okay, you know he got quarters somewhere. I'm gonna put this on out the pack. I know, woo, it does have like a better smell around the front, but that hair back here is a little strong. I'm gonna go ahead and spray her down first with my dry shampoo. All up in there, come on. Then I'm gonna take my spray bottle with water. We'll be keeping this one. Now I'm gonna tip my lace using my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna use a mixture of the contour and sculpt shade, which you will see right here. I'm gonna bust that all around that lace. Y'all know I don't deal with lace tint. I like to place mine on my wig so I can have more control. Okay, I like to be in control. All around. Like I said, this is a 360 unit, but it is not a full lace cap. So 360 lace means you get about a 13x6 or 13x4 lace frontal in the front with the lace all the way around the sides going to the back. This unit does come with the Invisible drawstrings in the back as well. I'm trying to make this install real quick. The sun is out and so am I. Okay, I want to be outside. So let's get cute together, okay? This unit does come with a removable elastic band as well as the removable combs in the back and two on the side. I did take the two off the side. And I think I'm gonna leave the one in the back though, just to make sure that I have some coverage back there in case I need to, you know, hook it up under my cap to make sure that I have the right coverage on my wig, because this cap does fit one size only. And y'all know my head is big, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just take out this elastic band and I'm gonna use those drawstrings in the back to hold my wig in place. We're gonna see if that works. Put it on like, don't do this to me. Come on, get over. Okay, I was a little worried, but I think we got it. I was scared. All right, we got it down. Yes. Yes, ooh, not in my mouth. Let me take my hair. It's on my head, it's mine now. Clip it up. The unit also came with the tape on the side. You know, to tack it down right here. I don't like the tape. Okay, my edge is already thin. I ain't trying to snatch them anymore. It has two little nodules here. So you pull one down, tighten it, and then you lock it with the other and then tuck up the excess. It tightens it down around your nape. Don't pull it. I see some of the videos, they be pulling and yanking. Don't do that. Some of y'all have told me already that you snapped yours and I can believe it. Okay, so take your time, just hold it. Use the little nodules here to tighten it down. The first one and then the second, okay? So there's one. You push the nodule in. You want to add a little pressure to it, you can, but don't be yanking this and then pulling that. No, there we go with that. I don't know how that looks. Like, y'all know I can't see without my glasses. Oh, that looks great. Y'all see that? Good, googly moogly. I got the natural hairline on mine, but you can also get the 4C hairline. So if you want a little bit more curly, kinky edge around your wig, you can definitely get that. You can also choose your length. It comes in 14 to 34 inches. Rapunzel who? So if you want some inches for the summer, here you go. I'm hoping that it doesn't adjust on my head and kind of slide back. If it do, y'all know my trick. I'm gonna tack it right here in the middle, but I'm gonna try to keep it as glueless as possible. So I need to get this hair out my mouth first. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse and I'm gonna use that around my hairline. The mousse is a mold, not a hold. Some of y'all are new to my channel and you be asking me about this process. If you lift this lace up, once you do this process, it will come up. It's not holding to your face. Y'all know how molds work, right? Okay. Just using my fingers to kind of break up the hairline a bit. Because of course, for a 360 look, you want to try an up style. I mean, that's a given. Bring some of these down. Put my glasses on so I can see what's going on right now. Looking good. I want to cut some of these a little shorter, just around the hairline to give me a more natural look, you know? Keep on messing with it. Perfect. Now, because I did not wash this unit, I don't know if it sheds yet. As far as back here, but I can tell up here in the front, I am getting some shedding as I'm brushing this. Now that I have tried Ashimary a couple times now, that is something that is pretty consistent across the board for this brand. The knots are very tiny and the unit is bleached, I'm pretty sure. When you get that double degradation, you have a lot more breakage around your hairline and your frontals. You want to alleviate using too much pressure on your hairline. You can still tug and pull, but not to the detriment of your frontal. Because for me personally, I don't know how to bend a lace. Could I learn? Yes. But do I want to? No. They sent me a bag of goodies, and this bag of goodies is for everybody. I'm pretty sure it's like up to 5 things, random things. Here we go. Now I need to define my curls a little bit. Let's comb this out and see if we have any shedding. It combs through really nice. Surprise! We have any shedding?
Yes, you do.
Okay, density. So if you want to wear this dry, you can definitely do that. I think that could be cute. The scale wasn't lying, but my eyes were still deceiving me. Wow. Got a tangle, hold up, let me get that out. Because the hair is long, it makes you think it's a lot more shedding, but it's actually not. That's all the shedding I got. Oh, they out there cutting grass. So if you hear that, I'm sorry. You want to just cut or trim just a smidge to clean it up. Not too much. Just kind of just clean it up, clean up, clean up. Now I'm gonna use this texture foam. It's good for wavy and curly hair. Kind of pop these curls out a bit. Pop these curls, pop these curls. You could probably just wet this hair with some water and call it a day. The reason I don't want to wet it with water, I want to go right in with my mousse, is because I want the hair to stay a little bit bigger. If I wet it with the water first and then the mousse, it will make the hair flatter, if that makes sense. I want the texture, the definition, and the volume. All over. Make sure I get a good saturation. I don't want it to be super wet. That's not really the look I'm going for because I'm going to blow dry it down anyway. But I do want it to be, you know, wet enough. Okay. Because it is a water wave, you're not really getting that curl on the end, but I'm still going to coil it, or finger coil it a little bit, just to give a little bit extra definition, as much as I can. Fluff it a bit, and diffuse the hair on cool and high. Hair is dry. You can see up here it's a little bit more defined, but this is also a little crunchy, and that's because I let it air dry a little bit too long when I was doing my makeup. After you use that mousse, go in and dry it immediately, okay? Unless you want the crunchy, wet look. But let me just get this wrap off my head. It's been on my head way too long. Let me just clip this back for a second. Oh, that's cute. I had it on here a long time. And she looks great. Do I need to pull anything forward? That looks really good. To ensure mine is not gonna slide back, I just need a little security. It's a glueless lace spray, so it comes off of water. Tap that around, brush it a little bit so it doesn't get too crunchy looking. Now for the hairstyle, I kind of want to wear it in the updo. Pull it back, pull it back. And I got this clip, not a claw clip, but a little clampy clip thing. I don't even know what you call them joints, but I got one. This bad boy right here, this little joint. That. I'm just gonna clip it around. There we go. And just finish up my makeup here. Just blend that all together. the final look. What we thinking? I know. It looks great. Now, it could feel better, okay? But again, out the pack, I didn't wash her. I just slapped my water on it and then some product. I feel like because of that film on the hair out the pack, it kind of creates some knots on the ends. Make sure you wash this hair out the pack. Go ahead and dunk her in that sink and condition it, and then go in with your product and blow dry that bad boy down. You probably see a little knottage up in there, you know, those knots on that lace, but back here you won't. Back here. This style is so cute. I love the clip, because sometimes when you use the ponytail or whatever, the ponytail holder, the little wraparound, it gives you the ponytail in the middle and then it kind of fans out to the back. It doesn't really give you that waterfall look to the side. The clip will do that. I just can't get over how this looks. And my side's still flapping in the wind. Flappity flap flap. Thank you for coverage. Yeah, protect my edges all the way around, because it's a 360. Y'all see that? Look at that. Blends right on in. Blend, blend, blend. I've told y'all once and I will tell you again. This curl pattern is the best curl pattern for beginners. It is perfect for a wet or dry look. And Ashimary added in the thickness and the hairline and the 360-ness of it all. That's grounds for perfection. Almost. Because, you know, some people may not like that price point. I don't know. I know you want to go outside, but just call that man one more time.
Call him right now.
I'm calling. And who knows, you may get the wig and some extra funds for that clip. I'm just saying, that's pretty much all I got. I don't want to take up too much time, because it's time for me to go outside and let the neighbors see me. Because you see how good it looks, right? Yeah. Shout out one more time to Ashimary Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.